Hello everyone. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of deadlifts and exploring exactly what happens to your body when you perform this powerful exercise. Let me guide you through this remarkable transformation process. When you grasp that barbell and prepare for a deadlift, you're about to engage in one of the most comprehensive full-body exercises possible. Let's explore the incredible chain of events that occurs during and after your deadlift session. The moment you initiate the lift, nearly every major muscle group in your body springs into action. Think of it as orchestrating a symphony where all instruments play simultaneously. Your legs, back, core, and even your arms work together in perfect coordination. This full-body engagement is what makes deadlifts such a powerful exercise for transformation. Let's talk about the posterior chain, that vital group of muscles running along the back of your body. Each deadlift strengthens your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back muscles. This strengthening isn't just about looking good, it's about creating a fortress of stability for your spine. People who deadlift regularly often report significant improvements in their posture and a reduction in back pain. The hormonal response to deadlifts is particularly fascinating. When you perform this compound movement, your body releases a surge of testosterone and growth hormone. Think of it as turning on your body's natural muscle-building and fat-burning factory. This hormonal boost doesn't just help build muscle, it accelerates your metabolism for hours after your workout. Your core muscles undergo an incredible transformation during deadlifts. They're not just passively involved, they're working overtime to stabilize your spine and maintain proper form. This strengthening of your core muscles creates a natural corset of stability around your midsection, improving everything from your posture to your athletic performance. The impact on your cardiovascular system shouldn't be overlooked. Despite being a strength exercise, deadlifts create a significant cardiovascular response. Your heart rate elevates, your breathing intensifies, and your body's oxygen demand increases. This cardio effect, combined with the strength benefits, makes deadlifts a highly efficient exercise for overall fitness. Let's address fat loss. When you deadlift, you're not just building muscle, you're creating a powerful metabolic effect. The combination of muscle engagement and hormonal response increases your body's caloric burn, not just during the exercise, but for many hours afterward. This is known as the afterburn effect, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC. The transformation extends to your grip strength and forearm development. Each time you hold that heavy barbell, your forearms and grip get stronger. This improved grip strength carries over to countless daily activities, from carrying groceries to opening tight jars. However, proper form is absolutely crucial. Here are key points to remember. Maintain a neutral spine throughout the movement. Engage your core before initiating the lift. Keep the bar close to your body. Drive through your heels. Avoid rounding your back. For those new to deadlifts, here's a progression strategy. Start with lighter weights to perfect form. Gradually increase weight as technique improves. Focus on quality over quantity. Allow adequate recovery between sessions. The benefits of deadlifts extend beyond the gym. You'll notice improvements in daily functional movements, athletic performance, body composition, overall strength and stability, confidence and mental resilience. Recovery is crucial when incorporating deadlifts into your routine. Your body needs time to adapt and rebuild stronger, ensure you. Get adequate sleep. Maintain proper nutrition. Stay hydrated. Listen to your body's signals. The mental benefits are equally impressive. Successfully completing heavy deadlifts builds confidence and mental toughness that carries over into other areas of life. Each successful lift reinforces your ability to overcome challenges. As we conclude our exploration of deadlift transformations, remember that consistency is key. The changes don't happen overnight, but with proper form, progressive overload, and patience, your body will undergo remarkable changes. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the transformative power of deadlifts. Whether you're just starting or are an experienced lifter, understanding these processes can help you maximize your results and avoid potential pitfalls. Remember, the deadlift is more than just an exercise, it's a tool for total body transformation. Approach it with respect, maintain proper form, and watch as your body transforms into a stronger, more capable version of itself.